Hi guys, welcome back. So you are watching YouTube channel Geetika Arya, where I bring to you videos related to home decor, makeovers and basically everything related to home. And in today's video I am going to set up a room for kid, but you can take ideas from this makeover for your bedroom also, be it adult or kid. And all the product links will be mentioned in the description box below. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's go to the room. So let me show you this room. This room is 10 by 12 feet in size, and before setting up the room I have to evaluate like where I can set up the study area, where I can set the bed. So in this area we have a big window, and by the side of window I think we should set our study area so that adequate light comes on the study area. And here we are going to set our bookshelf. In this area we are going to set our bed, so this will be the area for a single bed, and this area we are going to set for a little bit of sitting and playing, so this would be playing or sitting area. So that's how we are going to set this room. So now let's start the video.
So for the back of bed I am going to do a little DIY. So we are going to make a hut by using these wooden strips which I got from a local shop, and you can get these in 150 to 200 bucks. And these are called as choke huts. We just nailed them with the wall. It was easy and quick. You have to create a hut by using these strips, and you just have to nail them. Then we painted the wall inside the hut with pink color. I will give the code of this color in the description box below. I used a small painting brush also for the little corners, and it was quite easy. And it was actually fun also. You should also try doing paint to your home by using brush and the rollers. And we let it dry. So this is how it looks after getting dry. Then I place the mattress on the floor, and I am using this chair cushion as a back cushion for creating the nice bed look, and it will be very comfortable also. And we are using these gitty nails on the sides to hold this back cushion. So they have provided these ties also with this seat cushion. So we are just going to take the loop inside that nail, and then we are going to tie it so that it stays at its place. I ordered these gorgeous curtains from Amazon as well, and they're so pretty. I got a set of 2 for 1000 rupees, and I think it's a real good bargain. Then I'm using this double bed sheet here. So you can use a single bed sheet here also, but I thought this bed sheet would go really nice with this. This is from Decor. I loved it. Then I placed this side table. And on the wall just side to this bed we are going to hang our frames. So it is a set of 4 actually. We again got them from Amazon, and it's really nice, it's really pretty, and they can be used in other bedrooms also, and they are going with the theme also. And below that I am going to create a cozy sitting area. So for that I placed this cute rug. It's very cozy, very bohemian. And then I placed these gorgeous poofs over them. So the theme is pink and blue, so accordingly I bought the products. Then I placed this gorgeous table lamp on the side table. Then we are going to set up a study area also. So we placed our study table here. This is from Urban Ladder, and then I placed my chair. And then we placed this gorgeous bookshelf. This is also according to the theme blue with polka dots. I got this Believe neon sign from Amazon, and the wire was white, so I painted it pink so that it gets merged with the color of the paint. That's why I painted with the same color as the wall. and then we just put 2 nails on the wall to hang this sign. and then we hanged it. It looks so pretty. So I took the wire behind this back cushion, and then we are taking this multi-plug so that from the same switch we can have our plug and the neon sign, and still there is a space for charger also, so you can definitely buy such kind of multi-plugs. I'll give the link in the description box. Then I placed some bright cushions over the bed. Then a gorgeous tablecloth. So to organize this bookshelf, I am placing some books. You can style them according to your needs. I am placing some softwares also because I am decorating a room for a kid, so accordingly I am placing the items. I really like this bookshelf. It's very stylish and it's a game changer for the room, I think. Then in the study area, I placed this table calendar, a table lamp and a pen stand. And actually it's not a table calendar, you can hang it also, so we hanged it. Then I placed some cute softwares in the sitting area as well.
So guys, that was all. I hope you like this video. I really like this makeover because I think there is still a kid inside me. If you like this video, then make sure you leave a nice comment, like this video, share this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, bye.